Discover a new standard of security with LabKey, the next generation access control system. Perfect for doors or gates, barriers, garages, gates, or any entrance managed by an electronic device. Choose the access mode that best suits your needs: numeric code, NFC card, and QR code. Don't sacrifice versatility. You can have 3 technologies in one device. LabKey is a made-in-Italy product that enhances modern environments and enriches existing spaces by guaranteeing cutting-edge functionality suitable for gyms, distributed hotels, small or large companies that want to manage access for employees and visitors. Rely on our technicians to create a custom system for you. Together, we will create a solution that meets your needs. The power consumption is really low. Just consider that the keypad consumes 0.02 watts in standby, and replacement parts are guaranteed for all components, depending on the infrastructure you want to use. Set up the cloud connection by choosing between Wi-Fi, wired network with RJ45 plug, or choose the LTE version with an integrated SIM and connectivity included. From the standalone version to an unprecedented cloud, set up access with ease, unlock doors through the app, and use custom fields ideal for the tourism and business sectors. You can integrate e-commerce solutions to link transactions with access to paid spaces. Leverage API services and operation triggers to connect and integrate third-party software, expanding the possibilities for integration and automation. Whatever the electronic device you want to manage, whatever your IoT project, choose LabKey, a guarantee for access control management.